Hello friends, you can see here a white pigeon on my roof, and this bird is looking very beautiful, and I have never seen in my life. And before the times, I have never seen, yeah. And this bird is, you can see the white pigeon, and it's looking very pretty. And you can see her feet is very thick, and in black and whitish color. And this is very unique creature of god, and birds are unique creature of god. And I hope that you have ever seen this type of bird in your life. And if you didn't see, you can see in your surroundings. And this bird in search of food and coming on my roof. And because we all are humans, and we are god creatures, and every living creatures of god living in our surrounding, in our environment, and for the food purpose they are struggling. And you have seen that birds are struggling, and every kind of animals in our fauna and flora, and they are in search of food, and for their the food is the basic purpose of living their life. Because if you can see in case of human beings, they are also struggling. They want money for surviving, and for food. Why they are, if why they thought that they also should have to earn money because of food, because food comes via money. And if you don't have money, you will not have food to eat. And how you will survive in this nature and in this society. And you that's why for food you are struggling. And food is the purpose of our living life. If by the way, you can imagine, like you can think via hypothetical situation you can create for yourself. Like, if you have all the comforts, if you have all the facilities, why you will work? And you will not work now. And for money, for food, you are struggling in your life. So just like this bird, and this bird is for in search of food coming on my roof. And in the environment they are playing very important role. They are the unique part of our ecosystem. If but today in this era, and in the science, in the science era, we are just somewhere backing our environment. And we are not doing. There are IUCN organization, and you have heard about IUCN for wildlife conservation and flora and fauna. And in flora the birds comes, and the in fauna the wild animals, birds also come in uh, like fauna. And for their conservation purpose, there are many projects and schemes are the government are organizing and making, and mediating by. But at the same time there are also uh, very dangerous people who are making harm towards wildlife creature. But that should not be happen, that should not be done, it should not be happen. And we all should we all should focus on our wildlife conservation. And ENEP by IUCN by ENEP in UGC and PG are providing a little bit such like information to conserve wildlife. There are many policies and organization are making in India, and for the purpose of conserving our environment and ecosystem. And if any part of our ecosystem will harm there, the whole life of the whole balance of our nature will somewhere disturbed, and it should not be happen. It is the very basic ideology that everyone should have this type of information. I hope that guys by side me you will gain a little bit we have seen many cases like in Uttar Pradesh. There is one such district, Pratapgarh, and there when you will search now, you will find a news like from the Ganga river. There was a strange dolphin were coming in the canal, and when the people see na, they they didn't try to inform the forest conservation. They didn't try to forensic officers to conserve the dolphin, but in spite of conserving that animal, that dolphin comes in the canal, they all people gathered, and by sticks they were beaten the dolphin. And when they saw the dolphin in their canal, they saw the dolphin in form of food, and for food purpose they all people by gathering through a gathering were beaten the dolphin, and the dolphin were died like a uh, very like animal nature. All people shown their animal nature. This is the case of Pratapgarh district. And the IUCN, which is for Wildlife Conservation and Natural Conservation Union, International Union of Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. That is the main motto of IUCN. And the Pratapgarh district who had done this type of mistake had they had a case via IUCN. And IUCN, when IUCN case na, the case is fight by president for fight the case. If the IUCN report if on and case on any topic, on any harm of the wildlife conservation, the president for the case. And every people who had beaten the dolphin through a stick, and the dolphin were died. So everyone would have to pay, and they will not be able to, I mean to say, pay for the dolphin, because dolphin will not come again, will not alive again. Because if any animal uh, died, that animal will never come, will never alive. And we what we can do, we are always should devoted our life towards conserving the nature and our environment. And we all should focus, because we are living in a we are living in with our ecosystem. If our ecosystem will disturb, now somewhere our life and somewhere nature will create disaster for us. And this also be think this is the thing that we also focus here. And the case also is running on every village people. And somewhere they would face, like they would be in the custody of government. And I hope this should be done for them against the people of villages of Pratapgarh, because they did a very bad thing for their environment. And I hope that you, while saying this bird, you will conserve, you will make the home for this bird. And you will give the food. You should not while saying the bird, if any kind of animal coming in your surrounding, you should not uh, give the food false food. You should you can throw cereals and like anas, you seeds you can throw in front of them. But you should not throw the harmful substance in front of the bird. So that is the main purpose of making this video. I hope that you will get a lot of information by side me. Thank you so much. Bye bye. We will meet you with soon. Thank you. Bye bye.